Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are reviewing Kajabi in this year, and many people call it the best all-in-one platform for online business. And in this video we will check everything in simple word so you can understand if Kajabi is right for you. And before we begin, remember to check the description below this video. I have added all the official link for free trials and a discount on Kajabi. So don't forget to look after that watching this video. Okay, so let's get started. First, Kajabi is all-in-one platform. That means you can build your website, create online course, and send email and even text payment all inside one tool. And in present time, it is still very popular among coaches, teachers, and digital business owners. Now let's talk about the features. Kajabi gives you a website builder, online course builder, email marketing, landing pages, and even automation. You don't need 10 different tools. It is all in one place. The website builder is simple but looks professional. The course builder is one of the best in the market, and when it comes to ease of use, Kajabi is very friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert. The dashboard is clean. You can set up to your business step by step. And in this year, Kajabi also improved their design editor, so your website can look modern without needing extra tools. Next, the marketing. Kajabi is strong in this area. It has email campaigns, pipelines, and automation, and you can send messages to your students or customers at right the time. This is something that many other platforms do not give in one package. Now let's check the pricing. This is the part where people sometimes feel Kajabi is expensive. Plans in this year still start at higher, like $71 as you were saying. So some competitors are giving the package in more affordable prices. But remember, if you buy Kajabi, you don't need to pay for separate hosting or email tools or course platform. So for many businesses, it is especially cheaper in the long run. Another point is support and community. Kajabi has a strong customer support and a big community of users. So you can find tutorial, webinar, and Facebook groups full of Kajabi users helping each other. So this is a big advantage. So is Kajabi still best all-in-one platform in this year? The answer is yes. If you want one tool to do everything to save time, it looks professional and it has strong marketing feature, but if you only need a website or only an email tool, then Kajabi may feel too much and too much expensive. Okay, so now I hope you understand is it still worth or not. So this was the video about Kajabi. I hope this video was helpful. If this was, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.